Good night, everyone. My name is Miguel Lara. My group number is 72. Today is April 13. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of understanding valuation and negotiation of technology to contribute to solve the problem of digital transformation in Colombia. It's very important to understand the change, and we must take it seriously. It's to move forward, it's to evolve from the simplest things like paying for service or talking to a friend in another country to important things like closing international businesses. This should allow trades and production to be more efficient and to reach more people. The Colombian government promotes the Live Digital Plan for People, with the aim that this tool is available to everyone. The biggest obstacle is the lack of resources, and threefold the lack of interest of most companies. We must see the future.